Yes guys, welcome back to Hair System DIY. I hope you're having a great day. More importantly, I hope you're enjoying my content. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It'd be great to have you on board and hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I'm making new videos, which is usually every 2 weeks. So please keep an eye out for that. NewLaceCU have just dropped a massive shipment of French lace and Swiss lace. So if that is your base of choice, please do check out their website, NewLaceCU.com. They've got tons of colours. I've been reliably informed this morning that they have colours 1 through to 7 in stock. So for the novices out there, that's kind of black, which is 1 to 7, which is a sort of light brown colour. 7 is actually what I wear. So if you're interested in what that looks like, please check out my other videos. Today it is cleanup day. As you can see, I've got no hair on my head. But today I wanted to talk about something very serious. And it basically goes to the core of why I and so many others choose to basically start wearing hair systems. And that is the negative impact mentally that hair loss can have on the individual. And I don't think this is talked about enough, either within the industry or globally, more generally. And I think I'd really like to start a conversation about this because I think it's really important. I'm going to give you a quick insight into my story as to why I started wearing a hair system. And it all narrows down to basically the hugely negative mental health impacts I felt from losing my hair at a young age. I started suffering from a condition called Trichotillomania from as early as I can remember. I was watching some baby videos which my mother digitalized a couple of weeks ago, and I even had small bald patches on my head at the age of 2. So I can't actually remember a time when I didn't suffer from some level of hair loss. Also, as I moved into my early 20s, I started suffering from male pattern baldness, and that really compounded the trichotillomania. Up until that point, I could cover the patches of hair loss I had from the trichotillomania with my bio hair, but then that started going too. And I was really running out of options. And this really had a massive negative impact on my mental health. You can be told by so many other people, you look fine, don't worry about hair loss, most males experience hair loss, you look good bald, all of those kind of things. You can be told that as many times as you like. It doesn't change how you feel. It doesn't change your confidence. And I think that's the crux here, and that's the most important thing. It's about how you feel. Only you can control your mental health. And as I was going balder and balder, I just felt more and more alone. I felt more and more helpless, and I felt as if there was more and more things that I couldn't do. I went from a sociable guy to an unsociable guy. I went from a popular guy to a lonely guy. It was tough. It was really, really tough. And it got to a point where I felt I couldn't go on like this. Luckily, I did a bit of research and I discovered hair systems. And it was at that point when I started wearing my first hair system that I started getting back all of those things that I'd lost. Number 1, most obviously, I got my hair back. Number 2, most importantly, I got my confidence back. More confidence than I'd ever had in my life about my hair and myself. Hair is a massively important part of our lives. It helps build our confidence. It's how people perceive us. It just gives us that good feeling. It can make us look younger. And that's why I've never given a fuck, excuse my French, about what other people say or think. What matters to me is how I think and feel. And what made me feel good was having a head of hair back. It got me back to myself, how I remember myself being. It was quite simply the most transformational thing I've ever experienced in my life. The first time I went to a salon, I went with very little hair. I left that salon with a full head of hair that I could style how I liked, I could make it look how I wanted it to look, and it just gave me a sense of freedom that I'd never had in my life. It was so liberating. I think if we're to talk about men, just to focus on men, for a moment here. The number one cause of death in young males is suicide. And I think that a proportion of those suicides are due to one's appearance or how they perceive their appearance to be. They go from a confident guy to an isolated and introverted guy. And this can be because of hair loss. It's such a devastating and traumatic thing to go through. It's a complete change in your appearance. Whether we like it or not, it changes how other people perceive us. In a funny kind of way, it's a form of PTSD. Now, if it's had a massive effect on your self-confidence, and there's options out there that can restore that self-confidence, I looked at it, and for me, I was just like, I need to get that self-confidence back. I need to get back to that sociable, happy, confident young man that I was before I started losing serious amounts of hair. And a hair system really got that for me. And in many ways, it saved me. And I know out there's thousands, if not millions of guys who have had exactly the same experience after having a hair system fitted, a hair transplant, hair tattooed onto their scalp, anything like that. It makes such a fundamental difference. And I don't think that anyone deserves to suffer from a lack of self-confidence as a result of their appearance. And that's why I wanted to make this video. I wanted to tell you, watching this video, that it's okay to get a hair system. It's okay to get a hair transplant. You need to do what's best for you. Don't listen to what others think. You need to do what improves your self-confidence. And in my personal experience, and in my personal opinion, getting a hair system was one of the most important things I've ever done in my life. Okay guys, so that was quite a deep video, but I felt it really important that it was made. Guys, we do need to talk about sort of mental health more. I know that I've had my struggles through going through hair loss pretty much my whole life, through trichotillomania and male pattern baldness. It's had a massive impact upon me, and I know that it's had a massive impact upon millions of people, and I'm so glad now that we have the technology with hair systems to be able to get past that. But one thing I will emphasize at the end of this video is you don't deserve to lose your self-confidence over how much hair there is on your head. If getting hair back on your head would restore your self-confidence, you absolutely must do it. Don't listen to what other people say. The most important thing is how you feel about yourself. And if that's getting a hair system or a hair transplant, it's 100% the best decision you'll ever make in your life. I hope you found this helpful, guys. Please do subscribe if you haven't so yet, and I'll speak to you very soon. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.